Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy M53 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So let's open the notification panel and somewhere here you should find this scan QR code icon. In my case it's here. Now just to do that you should only hold for a while, just click once on this icon, and after that you should place the this QR code here in this frame. So let's find it. Just wait a second. Now we can see that our device scanned this code, and after that we can do it. We can open this QR code in two ways. We can open it in browser directly, or also we can only just copy this link. We can send it for someone or just to save it in our on our device. So let's open it in the browser. Just wait a second, and now we can see that this is the Wikipedia article. So as we can see, that's so simple to do. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.